அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனல் தங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போவது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு பகுதியிலிருந்து 50 முக்கிய வினாக்கள். இந்த வினாக்கள் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, யூபிஎஸ்சி, டிஎன்இபி அதாவது தமிழ்நாடு மின்சார வாரியம் நடத்துவதற்கும் மதிப்பீட்டு பணி தேர்வுக்குமான அனைத்து தேர்வுக்குமான முக்கியமான வினாவிடைகள். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், Vishwakarma Rashtriya Puraskar is awarded to which category of people? Workers working in libraries. The second question, who decided whether a bill is a money bill or not? அதாவது பார்லிமெண்ட்டில் ஒரு மசோதா பண மசோதாவா இல்லையா என்பதை யார் முடிவு செய்வாங்க? ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆஃப் லோக்சபா, அதாவது மக்களவையின் சபாநாயகர் தான் அதை முடிவு பண்ணுவார். தேர்ட் கொஸ்டின், ஹூ வாஸ் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விமன் ஜட்ஜ் ஆஃப் தி சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா? ஃபாத்திமா பிவி. ஃபோர்த் கொஸ்டின், விச் ஹை கோர்ட் இஸ் தி செகண்ட் ஓல்டஸ்ட் ஹை கோர்ட் இன் இந்தியா? பாம்பே ஹை கோர்ட். Fifth question, when was the first Lok Adalat held? 1986. Sixth question, who rules the state in the event of declaration of emergency under Article 365? Governor. Seventh question, when was the North Eastern Council was established? 1972. Eighth question, when was the National Commission for Backward Classes set up? 1993. Ninth question, in whose period of Prime Ministership did India become nuclear power? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 10th question, in India the first municipal corporation was set up in which city? Madras. 11th question, when was the national policy on agriculture introduced in India? 2000. 12th question, what is the total number of laws relating to land reforms and appellation of Zamindar system included in the 9th schedule, which are protected from judicial scrutiny? 284. 13th questions, who supervises and conducts the election of Panchayat and municipalities in the state? The State Election Commission. 14th question, which committee oversees the welfare of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes? Parliamentary Committee. 15th questions, who is the highest legal officer of the Union Government? The Attorney General of India. 16th question, what were the languages included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution by the 71st Amendment? Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. 17th question, which whose approval money can be spent out the Consolidated Fund of India? With the approval of the Parliament. 18th question, which committee is responsible to report on the socio-economic status of Muslim community in India? Rajendra Sarkar Committee. 19th question, which commission is enquiring the death of Subhash Chandra Bose? Mukherjee Commission. 20th question, who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest education was introduced in the Indian judiciary system? P.N. Bhagwati. 21st questions, what is the maximum duration of the zero hour in Lok Sabha? Unspecified. 22nd questions, under the whose direct supervision the Lok Sabha Secretariat works? The Speaker. Next question, Who is the chief of the Lok Sabha Secretariat? The Secretary General of the Lok Sabha. Who appoints the Secretary General of the Lok Sabha? The Speaker. 25th question. What is the question hour in the Parliament? The first hour of the sitting. Once again I read the questions. What is the question hour in the Parliament? The first hour of the sitting. 26 questions. All revenues received by the Union government by way of taxes and other receipts for the conduct of government business are credited to which fund? Consolidated Fund of India. 27th questions. Which Union Territory of India has the highest density of population? Delhi. 28th question. Which state of India has the highest literacy rate after Kerala? Lakshadweep. 29th question. Which state of India has the lowest density of population? Arunachal Pradesh. 30th question. What was the immediate cause of the Swadesh movement? Once again I read in the questions. What was the immediate cause of the Swadesh movement? The partition of Bengal done by Lord Curzon. 31st questions. Which amendment seeks to extend reservation for the scheduled caste, tribes and Anglo-Indian up to January 2020. Once again I read the questions. Which amendment seeks to extend reservation for the scheduled caste, tribes and Anglo-Indian up to January 2020? 95th Amendment. 32 question. Who used the phrase unpracticed to criticize the English colonial control of India? Once again I read the questions. Who used the phrase un-British to criticize the England colonial control of India? Dadabhai Naoroji. 33rd questions. Which amendment increased the number of languages to 22nd in the 8th schedule? 92nd Amendment. 34th questions. When was the Purna Swaraj Day celebrated? 26th January 1930. 35th questions. How many classes and schedules are there in the Government of India Act 1935? Once again I read in the questions. How many classes and schedules are there in the Government of India Act 1935? 451 classes and 15th schedules. 36 questions. Which company was known as the John Company trading with India? English East India Company. 37th questions. After which battle did the English East India Company obtain the right to Diwani? Battle of Buxar. 38th questions. The Government of India Act 1919 was known as Manford Reforms. 39th questions. Which act was introduced the diarchical system in the Indian provinces? The Government of India Act 1919. 14th questions. Who acted as chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? B.R. Ambedkar. 41 questions. Which President of India on the second counting of votes? V.V. Giri. 42nd questions. When was the Sarkaria Commission appointed? 1983. 43rd questions. Who was the chairman of the FLOG committee? J.P. Griblani. 44th questions. Under which article has right to freedom of religion been mentioned? Article 25. 45th question is, when and where was the first High Court established? 1862, Kolkata. 46 questions. By which article of the Constitution UPSC has been created? Article 315. 47th questions. What is the duration of the national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Approximately 52 seconds. 48th question. When President of India resigned from office, to whom does he address his resignation letter? Vice President. 49th question. When was the first national emergency declared? 26 October 1962. அதாவது இந்தியா சைனா வாரின் போது. 50th question. Who determines the salary and emoluments of the Prime Minister? Parliament. ஓகே, இந்த வீடியோவில் மொத்தம் 50 முக்கிய வினாக்கள் இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு பகுதியிலிருந்து பதியப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. இதே போன்று நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள், பொது அறிவு வினாக்கள், பொது தமிழ் வினாக்கள், அரசு வேலைவாய்ப்பு செய்திகள் மற்றும் இன்னும் பிற முக்கியமான செய்திகளும் நமது சேனலில் பதிவிடப்பட்டு வருகிறது. இதை தாங்கள் தொடர்ந்து பெற்றிட டிஎன்பிசி மாஸ்டர் யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்களுடைய நண்பர்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் தங்களுக்கு ஏதேனும் சந்தேகங்கள் இல்லை கருத்துக்களோ தெரிவித்தாக இருந்தால் நமது வீடியோ சேனலின் கமெண்ட்ஸ் பாக்ஸிலோ அல்லது டிஎன்பிசி மாஸ்டர் 2014@gmail.com என்ற இமெயில் முகவரியிலோ அல்லது நம் முகநூல் பக்கத்திலோ உங்களது கருத்துக்களை தெரிவிக்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோவை பார்த்தமைக்கு மிக்க நன்றி.